Today I'm going to talk to you about why starting YouTube is a brilliant idea. Let me get comfy here. You spend hours scripting, editing, and then you hit post. 10 views, 20 views. You're exhausted, you're tired. You're even wondering, why am I even doing this? Because no one is watching. Does this make any sense? Am I changing anyone's life? You are not alone. I was exactly in your position. Couple years back when I first started my YouTube channel. I wasn't getting the views. I was spending hours scrolling, then trying to figure out what type of video to post, then actually sitting down to record the video. The hardest part was editing as well. So it took me hours to put together one YouTube video just to get 10 views. Should I even continue doing this? Well, gonna answer that question today. On my first channel, I tried to do it all. I started with hair content, and then after I transitioned to just making videos with me and my husband. And if you're like me, you didn't want it to be on camera anymore. So I was like, well, what am I gonna do next? Quit YouTube. After years of not being on YouTube, I switched over to TikTok, where I grew multiple accounts and make money. And I told myself, if I can do it on TikTok and on Facebook, I can do it on YouTube. Start back my YouTube channel. I was able to gain followers. I was able to build a community. And that is what I didn't have. That is what I didn't realize. The first thing I've learned is not to compare yourself. Yes, you're seeing other creators doing it. They are growing super fast. And you're wondering, why am I not growing as fast as they are? Everyone have their timing. Timing, consistency in the right direction is everything. And so when I started back this channel, I was like, I'm just going to give it an honest try and I'm going to put my best foot forward. And I did. And I am seeing the results. And I'm telling you, don't quit. Because there were days where I didn't get a lot of views. And still, not every video I post will get a lot of views. But one thing I know is the comment section. I realize if I can help just one person, it is worth it. It is worth getting at 5 o'clock and recording this video right now. But if you can change your mindset to think about, if 10 people were to come and watch you right now, how would you feel? If 20 people, if 50 people were to come in this room, wherever your setup is that you're recording, to watch you, how would you feel? Think about it like that way. We need to shift our perspective because social media has gotten us in a chokehold. I remember when I was posting my videos, I would send it to my family and my friends, and they were my first views. If you're anything like me, I was there, and there is hope. Honestly, you should start a YouTube channel because YouTube is for everyone. I know you probably hear this excuse, oh, I am too old, I am too young, I am just so overwhelmed, I'm busy, I don't have enough time. What if no one watches my video? Ask yourself this question. Is there an old person on YouTube that is successful? Yes. Is there a black creator on YouTube that is successful? Yes. Is there a mom? Is there a dad on YouTube that is successful? Yes. It have room for you on YouTube. Just realize that all these excuses that you come up with, those are limited belief and they stem from fear. Fear of judgment, fear of your own abilities that you mightn't make it on YouTube. Honestly, I told myself, if other people can do it, so can I. So regardless of your age, your gender, your nationality, the way you look, you can post a video because YouTube is for everyone. So don't feel away. And that was the reason why YouTube was created. YouTube was created to learn from other people. When I told myself, okay, I wanted to give YouTube a shot again, and I look at the niche that I wanted to go into, I'm like, it's so oversaturated. But the reality is, no one is queen. No one have my voice. No one have my face. So yes, it maybe have a lot of gurus in this field. I'm going to be the comfy content creator that people come to hear about this YouTube, to hear about money, to hear about mindset, because we're doing all of it on here. There is a space for your voice on YouTube. Doesn't matter your age, your nationality, your size, or the color of your skin. At one point, I was so insecure about the way I speak. I never opened my mouth to say anything. I never opened my mouth to read. I never opened my mouth to do anything because I was afraid of judgment. And because of that, they say you should have started a YouTube channel 10 years ago. Well, I'm telling you, you should start a YouTube channel today. Today is the day that you stop fearing and you believe in yourself that if anyone else can do it, so can you. If the only thing you do on YouTube is just document your journey, well, so be it. Because 10 years from now, when you look back, you are able to see the growth. Listen, With my first son, he's gonna be 3 this year. Oh my goodness, he's getting so big. But when I look back, my eyes are filled with water because I just want to cry. And I'm so grateful that I document his journey. It wasn't on YouTube, but it was on Facebook and it was on TikTok. And when I see the growth that he has made, I feel so proud of my work. Yes, my work. Money cannot buy that feeling. I'm gonna be really raw and honest with you. My mom passed away when I was a little girl, but I wish that I could go on YouTube and search up her name and just see videos of her documenting her journey with me growing up, and I would pay hundreds and thousands of dollars for that. Now I have the opportunity to do it. I would not pass it up. So I'm telling you now, whether you're afraid to be on camera, you're afraid of judgment, where people would say it's cringe. You know what? To hell with them. Now people message me and ask, hey, how do you grow on TikTok? How do you grow on YouTube? How do you actually make money online? Can you help me do that? I'm like, yeah, sure. Before it was cringe. Now I'm getting DMs. Listen, you need to be consistent and you need to believe in yourself. And you will be able to see the difference as you continue your journey on YouTube. So don't be afraid and don't be ashamed. Start a YouTube channel today.